how to unlink Instagram from your Facebook account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to separate both accounts from the account center. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines at the top right corner and go into Settings. From there, tap on Account Center at the very top of the settings page. At this point, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom to see all the accounts currently linked together. In the next step, find your Instagram account from the list and tap the Manage button right next to it. Following this, tap on the first option, which says Remove from Account Center to begin the unlinking process. Once done, tap Move Account at the top to proceed. From here, a screen will appear showing you all the features and experiences you'll lose access to once the accounts are separated. Read through it and tap Continue if you're sure. At this stage, tap Yes, Finish Moving to confirm your decision. Finally, you may be asked to enter your password for security verification. Go ahead and enter it, and your Instagram account will be fully unlinked from Facebook right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you unlink Instagram from your Facebook account on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.